Hello there and welcome to the video today where we are going to have a quick look at what flowcharts are. We're going to be thinking about what flowcharts are, what flowchart shapes are used in a flowchart, and then how you can make a flowchart. So flowcharts, strangely enough, the clues in the name show the flow of something happening. So for example, in a program, you can create a flowchart to show what happens in a program. If you are wanting to replicate something happening, you can create a series of instructions. You can replicate those instructions in using a flowchart. So a flowchart shows a process, something happening from A, B, C, all the way through to the end. So someone can see, right, okay, then this is how this process operates. We have got four key shapes that you need to be aware of when creating a flowchart. The top shape, which is a curved corner rectangle, is used for starting or stopping for a flowchart. So at the start of a flowchart, you'll see that shape. At the end of a flowchart, you'll see that shape. So we can use that shape to say, right, okay, then that's the beginning of the flowchart, that's the end. We've got a rectangle, which is used for processing or for some sort of maths. So if something is going to be assigned a variable name, or if something is going to be given a particular number to be associated with, that happens in a rectangle. We have got a parallelogram, which is used for input or output. So if we're creating a flowchart to model something being entered into a computer, we're going to be using parallelogram. Again, similarly, if we need to see something coming out of a computer or something happening as a result of an input, we're going to be having an output, which again is going to be a parallelogram. And then finally at the bottom, you can see it there, it's a diamond shape, which is a decision. This decision is a true, false, yes, no question. So for example, is the temperature greater than 32 degrees? We could put that in a decision diamond because it's a yes, no answer. If you were going to say, where are England going to finish in the World Cup, we couldn't put that in a decision diamond because it's not specific enough. We could say, are England going to win the World Cup, yes or no, that's fine, but we can't say where will England finish in the World Cup because that's not a yes no question. So how we can see and how we can make a flowchart, we've got two examples of flowcharts right here. On the left hand side, again, we can see we've got start and stop at the bottom. The person is going to enter their name, enter their football team name, and then it's going to print, it's going to display on the screen their football team, and then that's it. On the right hand side, we can see that temp is being input, and then we've got a decision diamond there to decide if temp is greater than 25. And we can see if temp is greater than 25, it's going to print too hot. If it's not, too cold. So again, with this flowchart, to make it read a little bit easier, we can always annotate it by having yes or no on the lines which are attached to the decision diamond. You can see from these two flowcharts that the only flowchart shape which has two lines coming from it is a decision diamond. All other shapes have got one link to the next link to the next link. The only one that has two is, of course, the decision diamond. So there we have it. In this video, we have looked at what flowcharts are, what are the different flowchart shapes, how they're used, and how you can make a flowchart. I hope this video has been helpful for you, and I shall see you later on. Bye bye.